excited to tell you about November 3-2 Tango Delta. This beautiful flying machine is a 2022 SF50 serial number 413 with all the fixings. Plane is capable of flight level 310, comes with auto throttle, CIRRUS airframe parachute, safe return auto land, enhanced takeoff, and Wi-Fi. This one owner, always hangared CIRRUS Service Center maintained plane is in immaculate condition. The Garmin 3000 cockpit and expansive front windshield make for great views inside and out. The interior of November 3-2 Tango Delta matches the exterior in terms of its like-new condition. Auto throttles reduce pilot workload. Seen here in the executive seating configuration with center console, as well as complete seats for 7. I'm Luke Leiston with Aerista Aircraft. Give me a call to discuss November 3-2 Tango Delta.